Understanding, looking for a size, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might seem simple at first glance but is very useful in everyday English conversations. Looking for a size. Whether you're shopping, organizing, or discussing measurements, understanding this phrase can really come in handy. Let's break it down together. Looking for a size refers to the act of searching for a specific size of an item. This phrase is most commonly used in the context of shopping for clothes or shoes, but it can also apply to other items like rings, hats, or even items like apartments or storage units, where size matters. The key here is that the speaker is in search of something that fits a particular set of dimensions or measurements. When you hear someone say they're looking for a size, they're typically in a store or online, trying to find an article of clothing or a pair of shoes that fits them properly. It's a practical phrase that helps sales assistants or websites understand exactly what the customer needs. For example, "I'm looking for a size 8 in these shoes," immediately tells the assistant what to look for. But it's not just for shopping. This phrase can be versatile. For instance, if someone is organizing their kitchen and they say, "I'm looking for a size that fits this shelf," they're referring to finding containers or appliances that will fit specific measurements. It's about finding the right match for a particular space or requirement. Understanding and using the phrase, "looking for a size," is a great way to make your needs clear in English. It's straightforward and provides a clear context for what you're seeking. Whether you're asking for help in a store or explaining what you need to a friend, being specific about the size you're looking for can save time and make your search more efficient. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, "looking for a size," and how you can use it in various contexts. Whether you're out shopping or organizing at home, knowing how to express what you're looking for in terms of size can be incredibly useful. Thanks for watching, and we hope you find the perfect fit for whatever you're searching for.